Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I want to show you how you can use filters in Snapchat and how you can also get more new filters on Snapchat. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you want to click on a smiley face here. When you're gonna click on a smiley face, you are going to see plenty of filters here. So for example, this money filter is amazing. You need to always be like showing your face, right? Then you got something like this. Like many more. This is good with a friend. This is such a, oh my god, this is so bad. And then you get like sun here. And I don't really understand how this one works, but it's like really yellow. And then you got these last three here. So I'm going to be like a woman here. This is so bad. Oh my god, I can't just look at myself. But how you can get more effects or lenses. So I don't know, chicken head here. It's loading and it's downloading right now. So I just had to screenshot it. It was amazing. Look at me. This is so good. So on another like brief here. Let's try it out. It's like, yeah, and you get like a lot of them here that you can try it out. So many. And that's kind of it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. This is how we can add filters. Thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.